Hi, my name is Marie Lavasmo, and I am an internet unfranchised owner. I take a turnkey business and I teach you how to create sales and distribution so that you and your team can all earn 100% credit. We are a team of connected independent entrepreneurs all earning 100% credit, building residual income. The business functions like an evolved version of franchising. We offer everything online and offline, both brand names and exclusive products. This business is built to be done alongside what you already do, so you don't have to stop doing anything else to do this. Please reach out to me at my email below, or you can reach me on Facebook as well. Please note that this business is in multiple demographics and markets, so we essentially have no limitations. I personally specialize in health and wellness, so I can help you or anyone you know with any needs that they have. Again, please reach out to me at the email below or on Facebook for more detailed information, and I would be happy to help you. Thank you.